creeper!
Fresh ammo coming up.
Shit! Boom! Flashbang, moving in! Hold your breath.
We should go before there's more. Dan, is the street clear to the subway?
Probably the best it's gonna be. Go for it. And good luck down there.
Thanks. Take care of yourself, Dan. It's better times. Over.
Better times. Over and out.
Somebody push the button.
Run! No turning back now. Shh. Keep the noise down. Do not stop! Get to the subway! Move it! Son of a... Who shot me? Ammo break!
It's coming from the platforms.
Clear the train!
Get back, you smelly bastards!
Oh! Yeah! Racking them up!
Get back, you smelly bastards! Who the hell just shot at my train? Get in here!
It's him.
Him? Oh, my reputation precedes me.
Listen, man. We need to drive this thing to Inwood right now.
Evac, eh? That'll cost you. This rabbit hole is chock-a-block with goodies. Bring them to me.
Creeper down.
Reloading!
Fresh ammo coming up. Flame on!
Shit! I see a creeper! Fresh ammo coming up!
Creeper neutralized.
Those giants in the boats must be shitting in their drawers by now.
Gone.
Yeah! Stay down, creep. Picked up another box. Should be enough. What you asked for?
Gracias.
Creeper's gone. Found one of Stevie's goodies. Bringing it back. Bull coming in! Shut Thanks. Okay, we good?
I didn't have time to store any food. I was busy making music.
I swear to
Americans,
God.
man, lost every seed. What now? Bigger guns.
Somebody, shut up the screamer! Found one of Stevie's goodies. Bringing it back. We got a creep! Woo! Creeper taken out.
That's enough for everybody.
Molotov, going out! Reloading! Mute that son of a bitch!
Anybody else?
Somebody shut up the screamer! Screamer! All right, let's do this. Okay, we good?
I didn't have time to store any food. I was busy making music. We're not good yet.
I swear to God. Found one of Stevie's goodies. Bringing it back. Okay, we good?
To work today is to eat tomorrow. Bring more.
I swear to God. Reloading. Gas bag coming in. Shit! I see a creeper. Yeah. Stay down, creep. I'm reloading. Found one of Stevie's goodies. Bringing it back. Okay, we good?
All aboard who's coming aboard!
Oh, we're making too much noise. They're gonna come.
We gotta go now!
Do you want to drive?
Shut up! They're gonna break the doors!
Now hold! Jaws that bite and claws that catch! Who will hear the Jabberwock, my son?
Crazy son of a bitch.